Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make alcoholic whipped cream. And the reason I'm doing this is because I see so many people talking about Cardi B's alcoholic whipped cream shots, and you are all wasting your money. It's super easy to make at home. All you need is a whipped cream canister and a few more ingredients. I promise once you do this, you will never buy her garbage again. We're gonna need heavy cream, obviously. Then you'll need your choice of a liquor, 40% or below. I'm gonna use vanilla vodka, then a liqueur, and we're gonna do blue curacao. Again, you want something around 15 to 20% for that one. A little bit of powdered sugar. Regular sugar does work, but why bother? And that is it. That's all we need. So let's start with a cup of heavy whipping cream. And we are just dirtying extra glasses because I can, I guess. Now we'll do about 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I'm obviously eyeballing it with my little bar spoon. 2 ounces of vanilla vodka and 2 ounces of blue curacao, my favorite liquor that is in every video we do. Actually, I had someone hating on blue curacao today on my Instagram. They're like, it is one of the worst liquors out there, which is crazy. It's literally just blue citrus liquor. I don't know if they had a bad experience, they drank it straight. There's no reason to hate on it besides the fact that it's artificially dyed, but who gives a shit? Let's give this a good mix. Delicious. Now we just pour it into our whipped cream canister. Now here's the fun part. This is what makes it a little bit more annoying, right? To make this, you need a whipped cream canister, but a whipped cream canister is only like 15 bucks. Instead of just buying 1 bottle, buy the whipped cream canister. Toss in your cartridge, put our little pourer on here, put on our little canister. Just wanna twist until you hear that, and give it about 10 to 20 hard shakes. All right, now this is the fun part. Alcoholic whipped cream is great for a number of reasons. Obviously, you can just pour the shots into someone, onto someone, whatever you want to do with them. What's way more fun is if we get an ice cream cone, and the reason I got my cleaver out here is because we're gonna cut the top off. Ice cream cones are famously strong, so we needed the heavy duty stuff. Let's see if it worked. And it did. That is the only way to consume liquor, is by eating it. Reminds me of that episode of Parks and Recs where Ron Swanson is so pissed because Tom is like, yeah, this is how we consume alcohol in the future.
This is the wrong way to consume alcohol.
That's me now, guys. Let's do another one. That was fun. You're gonna get a disgusting amount of shots out of here. It's not very strong at all, but it's really fun. And I actually have a name for these. Because I mixed the vanilla vodka with the blue curacao and the heavy cream and whatnot, it's almost like a, what do you call it? Didn't want some. Dude, there's alcohol in that. You can't have that. My cat's definitely not licking alcoholic whipped cream over there, guys. I took YouTube's HR training. Anyway, so I have a name for these. I call them snowflake shots because they taste like a creamsicle and it's delicious. Kind of inspired by Elf. They're light, they're fun, they're sugary, they're good, and that's so fun. And there's alcohol in here, so that's it, guys. That is how you make alcoholic whipped cream. You can do that with any flavor, by the way. Not just vanilla vodka, use any vodka flavor, any liqueur, heavy cream, and you are good to go. You're gonna have a lot of fun with this. I highly recommend just experimenting with stuff because you're gonna have so many different combinations and they're all really fun for Christmas. Doing this with peppermints, amazing. You can twist up Irish coffees by making alcoholic whipped cream. Combinations, possibilities, they're all infinite. So if you do try this at home and you don't try my recipe, let me know what you tried, and hey, I'll see you guys in the next video.